ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned about how we can look for chart. We mentioned we're looking at this flat, and right now we adjust this one. Okay, first we want to see what, because we mentioned we're looking at the flat, and if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. There was no trade setup to look for buy, and as we can see, the price sharply, it didn't get reverse, it didn't give us trade setup to look for buy. But right now, having entry above the top, it can be an option. It depends on the traders. All right, the reason is I mentioned it depends on the traders, because what we want if the price sharply reverse. If I change these things, okay, in cable, if we want to put our entry above the top, what we want the price sharply reverse. We want to tag and break and continue the price tag. We see it's not moving within the first or second hour, we take out the trade, and we put our stop loss within this move, because this is what we're going to risk. It's a short-term trade. Okay, and if the price tag we see again we see is not moving within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. But if there is a continuation with the breakout of the top, we start to manage, because mostly at the times we can look for divergence. Okay, from now we are not really, I mean, we are, even if the price drop, we are not going to look for sell. The only times we can look for sell if the price reverses as a corrective move. This one tend to a deeper correction. All right, that's why we want to see the sharp move. Okay, can we consider this is the only three waves structure as a flat, and this is the start of the down move? It can be, but even as I mentioned, we want to look for sell, because we can put this one as a flat. The price drop, reverse sell at these times. I'm not looking for either this one turn to a deeper correction or the price break the previous top. Then from there, if we get the opportunity for sell, we take it. But right now, still I'm looking for buy, and I will put my entry above the top. Okay, and we have nothing else to discuss. If I move to forward chart, the only thing is I'm looking at this correction. If we get the deeper correction, any continuation and trade for buy, I will take it. Still I'm looking for buy, and if the price, as I mentioned, drop from here, I just let it go, because still we can have a opportunity to look at this one as a flat. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop, it can, but we are not interested to look for sell unless we get one move up. Then from there, if we get a sell, we can look, we can consider whether we should sell or not. But still we're looking for continuation. That means we'll still, if we get opportunity for buy, we will take the trade. And again, having a trade above the top is very risky. Simply the price can tag and drop. That's why if the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hour, we take out the trade. What we want the price sharply break and continue. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.